Most men over 40 do not realize how much color affects attraction. A good fit helps, but the right color combination can make simple clothes look richer, calmer, and more intentional. The wrong colors make expensive clothes look cheap. The right ones make basic pieces look quietly powerful, almost instantly. Tip number 1. Black plus camel. Black and camel is one of the easiest combinations for men who want to look wealthy without looking loud. Black gives the outfit sharpness, camel gives it warmth. Together, they create a clean contrast that feels serious, mature, and expensive. The mistake is wearing black in a way that looks flat or tired. Faded black jeans, stretched black t-shirts, and dusty black shoes can make the whole outfit feel careless. But when the black is clean and the camel is rich, the outfit changes completely. A black t-shirt under a camel coat is simple, but it works because the colors do the talking. The black makes the body look sharper. The camel keeps the outfit from looking too harsh. For men over 40, this is a strong evening or weekend combination. It looks relaxed, but still controlled. The Sunspel black cotton t-shirt is a clean base for this look, and it is linked in the description. You can wear it under a camel overshirt, camel jacket, or camel top coat. Keep the shoes dark brown or black, keep the belt quiet. Let the black and camel carry the whole look. Tip number 2. Camel plus white. Camel and white is softer than black and camel, but it can look even more expensive. White brightens the face, camel adds warmth. Together, they create a clean, calm, high-end look that does not feel aggressive. This combination works especially well during the day. A white Oxford shirt with camel trousers looks polished without looking formal. A camel sweater with white jeans feels relaxed but refined. A camel jacket over a white tee gives a simple outfit that old money ease. For men over 40, this is useful because it makes the face look fresher. Dark colors can sometimes feel heavy, especially close to the skin. White solves that. Camel keeps the outfit from looking too plain. The Land's End. Supima cotton Oxford shirt is a practical example here because a white Oxford is one of the most useful pieces a man can own. It works with camel, navy, olive, gray, and denim. The key is keeping the white crisp, not shiny, not thin, not see-through. Camel and white should feel clean, warm, and relaxed, like you did not have to try too hard to look good. Tip number 3, olive green plus cream. Olive green and cream is for men who want masculine color without looking severe. Olive has a rugged feel. It reminds people of field jackets, military uniforms, outdoor clothing, and old utility pieces. Cream softens that. It brings light into the outfit and makes the whole look more refined. That balance is why this combination works so well for men over 40. It does not look flashy. It does not look delicate. It feels grounded, practical, and quietly stylish. An olive jacket over a cream knit is one of the easiest versions. You can also wear olive trousers with a cream polo or a cream t-shirt under an olive overshirt. The Alex Mill 9th Street cotton twill jacket in army green fits this idea well because it has that useful, lived-in jacket feeling without looking sloppy. Just be careful with the shade of cream. Bright white can look too sharp against olive. Cream feels warmer and more natural. Brown shoes work better here than black shoes. Suede loafers, desert boots, or simple brown leather sneakers all fit the mood. This is not a show-off combination. It is rich because it looks easy. Tip number 4, navy plus white. Navy and white is one of the most reliable combinations in menswear. It looks clean. It looks mature. It looks expensive without needing any unusual pieces. Navy is softer than black, which makes it easier for men over 40 to wear near the face. It gives structure without looking harsh. White keeps everything fresh and sharp. A navy jacket over a white shirt always works. A navy polo with white trousers looks polished in warm weather. A navy sweater over a white Oxford gives you a clean, smart casual outfit that can go almost anywhere. The reason this combination feels wealthy is restraint. There is no loud color. There is no obvious trend. It is just clean contrast and good taste. The SNYDER Italian Cashmere Sutton jacket is a strong example of this idea because a navy jacket can lift almost every basic piece in a wardrobe. Wear it with a white tee, white Oxford, or light trousers, and the outfit instantly feels more intentional. Keep the accessories simple. Brown loafers, a leather watch, and clean sunglasses are enough. Navy and white is not exciting in a loud way. It is dependable, and that is why it looks expensive. Tip number 5, charcoal plus cream. Charcoal and cream is what you wear when black and white feels too sharp. The contrast is still there, but it is softer. Charcoal gives the outfit structure. Cream gives it warmth. Together, they create a mature, calm look that works especially well on men over 40. This is a strong combination for dinners, casual offices, travel days, and smart weekend outfits. Charcoal trousers with a cream sweater look elegant without being stiff. A cream shirt under a charcoal jacket feels serious but not cold. The HART SCHAFFNER. MARX charcoal dress pants are a useful piece for this because charcoal trousers can anchor many outfits. They work with cream knitwear, white shirts, navy jackets, brown suede, and black loafers. The main rule is to avoid making the outfit too flat. Charcoal already has a quiet mood, so the cream piece should have texture. A cotton knit, merino sweater, or brushed shirt will look better than something thin and lifeless. This combination also works well for men who do not want to wear bright colors. It gives you depth without forcing personality through clothing. Charcoal and cream say calm, controlled, and already established. Tip number 6, brown plus light blue. Brown and light blue is one of the most attractive color combinations for men over 40. Brown brings warmth, light blue brings freshness. Together, they make a man look approachable, stylish, and mature. This is especially useful because brown can sometimes feel heavy on its own. A brown jacket with a dark shirt can look too serious, but add light blue and suddenly the outfit feels open. A brown suede jacket over a light blue Oxford is the classic version. You can also wear a light blue shirt with brown trousers or a brown overshirt with pale denim. The SNYDER brown suede western shirt jacket works well here because suede already has richness. When paired with light blue, it looks relaxed instead of rugged in a harsh way. For men over 40, this is a strong date night or weekend look. It feels warmer than navy and white, but still polished. Do not overcomplicate it. Let the brown piece be the depth. Let the light blue piece sit near the face. Finish with dark denim, cream trousers, or gray wool pants. The combination does not need much else. Brown and light blue make you look like you understand color without trying to prove it. Tip number 7, navy plus camel. Navy and camel is one of the richest combinations a man can wear. Navy gives discipline, camel gives warmth. Together they look calm, expensive, and very adult. This is the kind of combination that works because both colors already carry authority. Navy is trusted, clean, and classic. Camel feels soft, warm, and quietly luxurious. When they meet, the outfit looks considered. For men over 40, navy and camel can replace the usual black and gray routine. It still feels serious, but it has more life. A navy sweater with camel trousers looks elegant. A camel coat over a navy jacket looks strong. A navy polo with camel chinos is simple but still sharp. The MASHBURN classic crewneck sweater is a good piece for this kind of outfit because a clean navy sweater can work with camel, white, gray, stone, and denim. The fit matters. If the sweater is too tight, it loses that calm quality. If it is too loose, it looks careless. You want relaxed structure. Brown shoes are usually better than black here. Dark brown loafers or suede boots keep the warmth consistent. Navy and camel is not trendy. It just looks like taste. Tip number 8, gray plus white. Gray and white is quiet, but it can look very expensive when the fit is right. This combination works because it feels clean without feeling sharp. Black and white can sometimes look too graphic. Gray and white feel softer, easier, and more modern. For men over 40, this is one of the best casual combinations. A gray sweatshirt with a white t-shirt looks simple, but if the pieces fit well, it can look polished. Gray trousers with a white Oxford are even cleaner. A gray knit with white jeans gives a relaxed, refined weekend look. The reigning champ gray midweight crewneck fits this chapter well because a good gray sweatshirt can be worn without looking lazy. The fabric, shape, and neckline matter. The danger with gray is dullness. If the fabric looks thin or washed out, the outfit can feel tired. Choose gray pieces with weight and texture. White should look fresh, not yellowed or worn down. When the white layer is clean, the gray looks more intentional. Keep the shoes simple. White sneakers, brown loafers, or gray suede all work. Gray and white is not about drama. It is about looking clean, calm, and put together on an ordinary day. Tip number 9, forest green plus navy. Forest green and navy is for men who want color without looking loud. This is not bright green. This is not shiny blue. Both shades are deep, calm, and controlled. That is why the combination feels rich. Forest green brings interest. Navy keeps it grounded. Together, they create a mature color story that feels more personal than gray, but still very wearable. For men over 40, this is a smart way to step beyond basic neutrals. A forest green shirt with navy trousers looks stylish without feeling risky. A navy blazer over a dark green knit can look excellent in cooler weather. The rice forest green textured knit shirt gives the outfit color, but the darker tone keeps it refined. That is the key. The color should look deep, not playful. Pair it with navy chinos, navy wool trousers, or dark denim. Avoid adding too many extra colors. Brown shoes are usually the safest choice. This combination also works well when you want to look relaxed but still dressed. It has more personality than navy and white, but it is still quiet enough for a man who does not want attention for the wrong reason. Forest green and navy look wealthy because they feel controlled. Tip number 10, burgundy plus charcoal. Burgundy and charcoal is a strong evening combination. Burgundy gives depth, charcoal keeps it serious. Together, they create a rich, mature look without the harshness of black and red. For men over 40, burgundy is usually better than bright red. Red can feel loud. Burgundy feels controlled. It adds color, but it still looks adult. A burgundy shirt with charcoal trousers is a clean version. A burgundy sweater under a charcoal coat also works well. You can even wear burgundy loafers with a gray outfit if the rest is quiet. The COS burgundy corduroy shirt gives this combination texture and depth. and it is linked in the description. That matters. Burgundy looks best when it has depth in the fabric, not when it looks flat or shiny. Charcoal is the anchor. It stops burgundy from looking too romantic or too theatrical. It gives the outfit a more masculine base. Keep the shoes dark brown or black, keep the belt simple. Let the burgundy be the one interesting color. This combination works when you want to look warm, confident, and slightly more dressed than usual. It is quiet color, but it still has presence. Tip number 11, tan plus denim blue. Tan and denim blue give you the wealthy, casual look. This is less formal than navy and white, but it can still look very polished when the pieces fit well. Denim blue brings ease. Tan adds warmth and maturity. Together, they feel relaxed, masculine, and useful. For men over 40, this is one of the best everyday combinations because it does not look like you are trying to dress up. It just looks like you know what works. A tan jacket with dark denim is the easiest version. You can also wear tan knitwear with blue jeans or a denim shirt with tan chinos. The TODD Japanese selvage stretch jean is a good base for this because clean denim makes tan pieces look sharper. If the denim is too ripped or too faded, the whole outfit loses the rich feeling. The tan should not look too yellow. A softer tan, sand, or tobacco shade usually looks better. Brown shoes are the natural finish. Loafers, suede boots, or leather sneakers all work. This combination is simple, but that is the point. It makes casual clothing look considered instead of accidental. Tip number 12, black plus white. Black and white is powerful, but it needs discipline. The contrast is strong. That can make a man look sharp, but it can also make him look harsh if the fit is poor or the pieces are too loud. For men over 40, the safest version is clean and simple. A white Oxford with black trousers, a black knit over a white shirt, a black jacket with a white t-shirt. Nothing extra, no huge logos, no strange cuts, no unnecessary shine. The Land's End tailored white Oxford works well here because a crisp white shirt gives black pieces structure. It keeps the outfit from looking too heavy. The black pieces should be deep and clean. Faded black ruins the effect quickly. If the black looks tired, the outfit looks tired. Shoes can go black if you want the outfit sharper. Brown shoes can work too, but only if the brown is dark and polished. This combination is best when the lines are clean. Good collar, good trouser length, good shoe shape. Black and white does not forgive sloppy details, but when everything is right, it looks confident and quietly powerful. Tip number 13, chocolate brown plus cream. Chocolate brown and cream create a softer kind of luxury. This combination feels warm, rich, and natural. It is less formal than black, less expected than navy, more mature than bright color. For men over 40, this is a strong choice because it flatters without shouting. Cream brings light near the face. Dark brown gives the outfit weight. A cream sweater with brown trousers looks elegant. A brown jacket over a cream t-shirt feels relaxed but refined. A dark, warm knit with cream chinos gives the same effect. The Wessex merino crew neck in dark Bordeaux can work in this family because it has that deep, warm richness. It leans more burgundy than chocolate brown, but it still pairs well with cream, stone, and soft neutral trousers. The key is keeping the tones warm. If the cream is too bright, it can fight the brown. If the brown is too dull, it can look flat. Suede shoes are excellent here. Brown suede loafers or boots match the softness of the palette. Chocolate brown and cream look wealthy because they feel comfortable, tasteful, and never desperate for attention. Tip number 14, stone plus navy. Stone and navy look clean, coastal, and expensive. Stone is softer than white. Navy is softer than black. Together, they create a refined combination that works especially well for smart casual dressing. For men over 40, this is a great alternative to the basic khaki and blue outfit. Stone feels lighter and more elegant than a regular khaki. Navy adds structure. A navy polo with stone trousers is an easy, warm weather look. A navy blazer with stone chinos is sharper. A navy sweater with stone pleated pants feels relaxed and mature. The Alex Mill dark navy pleated pant can also reverse the combination. Wear the navy on the bottom with a stone jacket, cream shirt, or light neutral knit. The idea still works because the contrast stays soft. Fit is important here. Stone trousers can look expensive when they fall cleanly, but they can look messy if they are too tight or wrinkled. Keep shoes brown, tan, or dark suede. Black can feel too heavy unless the rest of the outfit is sharper. Stone and navy work because they look calm. They suggest taste, not effort. Tip number 15, taupe plus white. Taupe and white feel modern, clean, and quietly expensive. Taupe is useful because it sits between gray, beige, and brown. It has warmth, but it does not look as yellow as camel. It has softness, but it is not as pale as cream. That makes it easy for men over 40. Taupe gives the outfit a refined neutral base. White keeps it fresh. A white t-shirt with taupe trousers is simple and strong. A taupe jacket over a white Oxford looks calm and elegant. Taupe knitwear with white jeans gives a relaxed weekend outfit that still feels polished. The FWRD white pocket tee is a simple piece for this combination because white works best when it is clean and unfussy. The trick is to avoid making taupe look dull. Choose pieces with texture like cotton twill, suede, linen, knitwear, or brushed wool. Flat taupe fabric can look lifeless. Keep the shoes in the same soft family. Brown, tan, suede, or off-white sneakers work better than heavy black shoes. Taupe and white are not loud colors, but that is why they work. They make a man look calm, edited, and intentional. The point is not to look like you are showing off money. The point is to make color do quiet work for you. Black and camel bring sharp warmth. Camel and white bring clean luxury. Olive and cream bring rugged elegance. Navy and white bring timeless polish. Once a man over 40 understands color combinations, even basic clothes start looking better. If you enjoyed this, like the video, subscribe, and watch the next one on your screen for more practical style upgrades. The pieces mentioned are linked in the description, so start with one combination, wear it well, and build from there.